back to myCRMSIM.
In this video, I'm going to show you how you empower your Android device. First of all, you need to log into the dashboard. That means go to the devices from the side menu. And in Android devices, you need to click on
Add device button, and I need to install this APK from this URL. Download it on my phone. As I have already downloaded it, I am going to just install it with this APK. Install it.
It will take some time to install.
Before installing, make sure that Play Product Protection is on in order to make this application work.
Okay. As my app is installed successfully, open it. Allow this pop-up. It will stop optimizing battery usage. I will allow all the permissions one by one.
As you can see that all permissions are back.
So as you see the updated button and allow permission. You can see that app is installed. Now I will scan the
QR code in order to log in.
I set this application as default. I need to click on this button. As you can see that we can't set as default from here. I need to go to the settings.
Here, three dots allow restricted settings. To verify,
as you can see that restricted settings are allowed. Now I will back to the application.
Set as default,
and you can see that we have option of SMS gateway. I will select it and set as default.
So this step is successful. I need to make sure that
our app is keep alive, and we need to turn on this toggle. I go to this pop-up and see that my device is added successfully. Can verify X details from it. Status is active.
To assign this device to a sub account. Step to assign this device to this specific account. This device consists of two different SIMs. When the first one in this account, you can see that assignment is successful. Now I am going to set message routing, and SMS is the message routing for Android device, and I am going to save it.
So the setup is successful. We can start sending messages.
Thank you.